In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Froki Coin step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then connect your wallet. And as you can see, I've already connected my MetaMask wallet. Then go to coinmarketcap.com and on the search bar type down Froki. Click here and then you're gonna need to copy the address. So scroll down here, copy the address, go to app.uniswap.org again, and then go to MetaMask wallet. Click import tokens, click custom token, then paste it here. And also before you paste it here, make sure that you're using Ethereum network. Then click add custom token, click import tokens, and then you will see here your Froki token once we swap our token later on. Then click here, select a token you want to swap, for example Ethereum. Then click here, paste the address here, click here, click here, and then type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, for example 1 Ethereum, and then I will receive this amount of Froki coin. So once you have typed down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, click here and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up. So you will gonna need to pay for the gas fee. Make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. Then once you have paid for the gas fee, wait for the transactions to be completed, and then go to your MetaMask wallet to check if you have received the Froki coin in your MetaMask wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy Froki coin, leave a comment below.